Your stomach growls aren't always hunger. Sometimes it's your gut cleaning itself. When your stomach is empty, your digestive muscles contract to sweep out leftover food, bacteria, and mucus. That sound you hear is your gut doing maintenance work. It's called the migrating motor complex, and it happens every few hours when you haven't eaten. Like your gut's version of a cleaning cycle. That's why constant snacking isn't always great. It stops this natural cleaning process and lets waste pile up inside your intestines. So next time your stomach growls, don't rush to eat. It might just be your gut taking out the trash. Subscribe, your body has more secrets than you think.